Hi guys, today we are going to be graphing linear equations. Okay, so let's say we are given y equals 1/2 x minus 1. And they want us to graph it. So we'll have to draw our own graph. On your assignment, you'll be given the graph. So this is our x-axis. And then our y-axis, so we have -1, -2, +1, 2, and 3. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to graph the y-intercept. So remember, B is your y-intercept. So we go on the y-axis and we find -1, which is right here. Okay, then we are going to use the slope to graph additional points. So our slope is 1/2. So that means our rise is 1 and our run is 2. And since it's a positive, you should be picturing in your head it's a positive slope, which means my line is going to be going up because it's positive. So that means when I go up 1, I want my line to go this way. So I need to go to the right 2. And I need to go up 1, right 2. So you can draw multiple points. You could also go down 1 and to the left 2. And then you just draw a straight line going through those points. If it doesn't form a straight line, then you did something wrong. So it must be a straight line. And so the last step you're going to do is just write slope on the line to make sure you graphed correctly. So the most common mistake is graphing a negative line when you're supposed to graph a positive, or graphing a positive line when you're supposed to graph a negative. And so this is a little check that I like to have my students do to make sure they don't do this common mistake. So if you write slope on your line, it's going up. It is a positive slope, and yes, I had a positive slope. So I know that at least my line is going in the right direction. Okay, let's go ahead and look at a problem on your assignment. So graphing linear equations. We have y equals 1/2 x minus 2. So let's identify the parts of the equation. So this is our slope, and this is our y-intercept, right? Because y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. So let's use our notes. So step 1 is we need to graph the y-intercept. So our y-intercept is -2. So we look, here's our y-axis. Where is it -2? Right here. So we're going to graph our point. Then from this point, we're going to use our slope to plot our additional points. So our slope is 1/2. And it's a positive 1/2, so our line is positive, so it should look like this. So when we go up 1, we'd have to go to the right 2. Up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. So you're going to start from that first point you graphed, your y-intercept. You could also go down 1 and left 2. Down 1, left 2. Down 1 and left 2. You want to draw your points all the way through your graph. Connect the dots, the points. And then right slope, just to make sure when I write slope, I graphed a positive line, and I should have graphed a positive line because my slope is positive. Okay, go ahead and complete your assignment.